What is the topic?
Group discussion.
Group discussion. Okay. So what is a group discussion? What is a group discussion? What did we learn in the last session? Aradhana. Aradhana, what did we learn in the last session? Varshasri,
Yes, sir.
what did you learn in the last session?
Difference between the conversation and group discussion.
Okay, difference between the conversation and group discussion. Okay, so group discussion in conversation. So we talk about many topics. We jumped from one topic to another topic. Coming to group discussion. Focus on only one topic. What is the purpose of the group discussion? What is the purpose of the group discussion? What is the purpose of the group discussion? Okay, as we discussed, group discussions are part of interviews. Okay, interviews, face-to-face interviews. Part of interviews, they measure our skills, soft skills, and communication skills. The employers, the organization, the institution use this method, group discussion method, for shortlisting candidates. For example, 5 posts are there, 50 members are attended for the interview. Then what do? They require only 5%. Okay, then they conduct group discussion. They measure your skills, especially communication skills and life skills. Like they check your attitude, your adaptability skills, problem solving skills, and team skills. Because in organization we have to work in a team skills. Next, leadership skills, and also uh, sometimes we have to emotion balance is also important. How you manage your emotions. These skills are uh, tested during the group discussion. Okay, so there are different types of group discussions are there. What are those? Anyone? There are different types of group discussions are there. What are those? Kavya. Kavya, are you there? Aradhana, Varshasri. Varshasri. Varshasri, am I audible? Am I audible? Anyone? Respond. Manasa.
Yes, sir.
You're right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, there are different types of group discussions. One is topic based. So they will give you a topic, and after that they will give some time. You have to prepare, mentally prepare for the uh, topic, and you have to present your use. That is topic based. So some are controversial topics are there. Controversial DD. They give topics on sensitive issues. Here they want to test your emotional skills, how you manage your emotions. Yes. Next one, some case-based group discussions. Here they present one case. On the case, how you respond, how you give a recommendation. These skills are tested. So this is one of the important process of recruitment. Okay, they use especially for mass screening or shortlisted candidates. They want to shortlisted, then you use this GD or group discussion. After the group discussion, they conduct face-to-face interviews. And next, what is the process of group discussion? What is the process? Generally, there are 12 to 15 members in common, 6 to 12 or 12 to 16. That is a group. 12 to 16 members are called for a group discussion. They give some time, at least 30 to 45 minutes time will be given for them. They have to prepare. Okay, if they have notebooks, they can note down some points to raise in the group discussion. Next, generally the pattern is semicircle. The candidate should be sit in semicircle or circle. All the candidates. One or two evaluators must be there. They simply observe how you present your views. Okay, that is the process. In the process, two things are important. First one is how to initiate a GD, how to start a GD. For example, if you start a good discussion yourself, then it will be a plus for you. Okay, it will be, you will be catch the attention of the panel members. Okay, if you are good at subjects, no problem, it is a plus for you. But you start the group discussion first, but you don't have subject knowledge, or you quote some wrong information, then it will minus for you. Both are there. It is like a two-sided weapon. So initiating GD is also an important skill. That is initiating. Next, how to continue GD. That is also important one. How to continue. Here, don't take too much time. Everyone has to speak. Okay, we have to raise your. You want to say your opinions, your views on the topic. Yes, you can take 1 or 2 minutes. Don't take long time. That is also one of the important skill. And team skills. The interview panel members observe team skills. Don't take too much time, and also we have to encourage other members also. That is also important skill. Don't sit silently. Okay, this is the problem. Last one is how to summarize the GD, how to conclude the GD, how to initiate, how to continue, how to summarize, how to conclude. So at the end of the group discussion, one of you take lead and summarize what we have discussed for the last 30 minutes or 45 minutes. That is also important thing. Okay, so here all this process, they observe your soft skills. Okay, how you present your skills, how your attitude, how your team skills. Okay, whether you have take all the time or you take some time, 1 or 2 minutes, and you encourage your team members. Next, whether you initiate the GD. So leadership qualities, they observe leadership qualities also. And for example, in controversial topics, so they observe your emotional skills, whether you manage your emotions or not. Okay, for example, you see in the group, what is that debate in news channels? Those are not discussions; those are simply arguments. Okay, they point out their fingers at each other. They're ready to fight. Okay, that should not be their group discussion. Okay, don't lose your balance. These skills are observed. Okay, here our body language is important. Let us see. Okay, I gave you the assignment 3 and 4. So let us see. Activities 4 and 5. Okay, now read the statement given below and say what is appropriate in a group discussion. Okay, this is about body language. Body language always plays an important role. Okay, right. First one, cross your legs and arms. Yaministry,
Wrong.
wrong. So
Wrong, sir.
we don't cross our legs and arms. Okay, sit straight and comfortable. Next, be relaxed in the group discussion. Be relaxed.
No,
Must be,
sir. We should be stiff. Stiff and
don't sit, but be relaxed. But about don't show your nervous tension. Some people feel. For example, if you want to address 15 to 20 members or 12 to 15 members, don't be nervous. Be relaxed, but sit comfortably. Not at your home. Okay, follow the etiquette of the group discussion. Okay, classroom etiquette is different. In your home, you etiquette is different. Etiquette means we have to follow some rules and formalities. So be relaxed. Must be. Don't be nervous. Okay, don't tense. Next, shout and point fingers at others. Prashasri.
no, sir.
No. So in TV discussions, we generally do this. Okay, don't shout and point fingers at others. If you have any doubt or if you have any clarification, you raise your hands. Okay, after the person has um, uh, speaking, then you can start. You can raise your points. Okay, raise your hand and ask permission. That is, don't shout your fingers and at others. Maintain eye contact.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, you have to
Yes,
maintain
sir.
eye contact to all the members and also the panel members. One or two panel members are there. They observe everything. Okay, your attitude to your communication skills, everything they observe. Okay, so maintain eye contact to all the members, including the evaluators. Don't look at the evaluators only. Okay, don't try to get their attention. Don't constantly looking at evaluator. That is not also not good. Okay, maintain eye contact to all the members who are in the group discussion, especially who is speaking. Okay, let's have a pleasant expression. Be cheerful.
Yes.
Yes, don't be nervous.
Yes, sir.
Don't be nervous. Don't be shout. Like, look only at the evaluators.
No.
No, sir.
No, don't look. You can maintain eye contact with them when the situation is arise, but not always maintain eye contact to the evaluators. Okay, be clear and audible. This is important.
Yes, sir.
Yes, by expressing your opinions, your views, be clear and audible. Okay, be short. Don't lengthy. Okay, you have to speak just 1 minute. Then after that, you can take another chance also. But at the moment, you don't speak for 5 minutes. Okay, always keep the other candidates also in your mind. It is a team. You speak, you raise, you speak your views 1 minute and give chance to others. Okay. Next, look only at one person.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
Oh, very good. Okay. Next, be glossy.
No, sir.
Right. Interrupt others.
No, sir.
Okay. If some person is
No, sir.
speaking, if some person is speaking. Okay. So if you have any doubt, any clarification, you raise your hand. Don't interrupt him or her. After speaking the other person, then you can raise your doubts or clarifications. Next, snub others. Don't do that. Crack jokes.
No, sir.
Don't crack jokes. Okay.
No, sir.
So sometimes don't crack jokes. Okay. Next, put an accent. Put an accent. It is also don't put an accent. Accent is, for example,
No, sir.
Some persons are from Seema or someone North Andhra don't use their accent. Rayalaseema has different accent, Andhra has a different accent, and what is that? North Andhra is different accent, Telangana is different accent. Don't use. Sometimes it is embarrassing others by using some accent. Okay, like that. Now coming to our language. Use jargon. Jargon means, for example, what is that? Jargon. Some expression related to that subject one. For example, group discussions happening. For example, if you use that words in your EC, what is your electrical, electronics and communication, your subject has different jargon. Okay, don't use your jargon. Okay, try to simplify. If you told me about circuits and all these things, I don't understand in your jargon, but you try to simplify them. Use simple language. Okay, jargon means every language has, every subject has its own jargon. Law, for example, law, it has its own jargon. Okay, civil, they have their own jargon, their own words. Okay, try to simplify. Like content and ideas are more important than fluency. This is,
Yes, sir.
yes, always keep in mind. So I can't speak English fluently, so I don't participate in the group discussion. That is not important. Fluency is advantage, that is plus, but content and ideas are most important than fluency of the language. Always keep in mind. All are not fluency in that language, but they have full of knowledge and full of ideas. Okay, always content and ideas are important than fluency of the language, any language. Okay, use any other language. So use any other language.
Yes, sir.
So sometimes
Yes, sir.
that is also based on the group. The group discussion, they are familiar to the language, then you can use. Okay, all are belongs from Telangana or Andhra Pradesh, Telugu people. So you can the group you can use, you can English or Telugu, but don't use any other language. Your mother tongue is different, you know Tamil. Don't use that language. Okay, it is acceptable to all, then you can use other language. Okay, you are from Tamil Nadu, so all the other people are from Telangana. Okay, they know Telugu, they don't know Tamil, but your mother tongue is Tamil. If you use Tamil, what happens? They don't understand. So use, in that case, you can use English or the common language of the all. Okay, that is also based on the context. Next, fluency is an advantage.
No, sir.
Fluency is
No, sir.
always advantage. So content and ideas are important. If you have fluency, that is plus, that is an advantage. Okay, when comparison between content and fluency, content is always important. Along with content and ideas, you have fluency also. What happened? Then it was advantage to you. Any doubt here? Any doubt here? This was a group discussion. What we have discussed, content and ideas are more important than fluency. Okay, no doubt here. Always important. Content and ideas are important, not fluency. If fluency is also there with you along with content and ideas, then definitely that is an advantage. You can express more clearly. Okay, fluency is always an advantage. Okay, be precise. Be precise. Always, whatever you want to say, that must be precise. Be brief. You say brief. Okay, you can express your ideas in 1 minute. Okay, or within 2 minutes. Don't take too much time. Brief, express in brief, that is precise. Use simple language. Use simple language. Use simple language. Can you use simple language?
Yes, sir.
Yes, always use simple language. Don't use jargon.
No.
Okay. Don't use jargon. So
Yes, sir.
then use simple language. If you want to say any topic related to your circuits, all these things, try to explain in simple. In simple. Don't use that language, electronics language. So common people or some other participants may not understand. Okay. Simplify it, like come into language. Next, come into other skills. Okay. Especially soft skills. So far we have observed how our body language should be in a group discussion. Okay, body language, that is important. Next, our language. Next one, other skills. How our other skill in a group discussion. Okay, first one, be aggressive.
No, sir.
No, so be relaxed.
sir.
Don't be aggressive. Okay, don't show your fingers at others. So be polite. That is always important. Be a team player.
Yes, sir.
What are the qualities of a team player as we have discussed in the third semester? What are the qualities of a team player? For example, so you have to work in a company. You cannot in a forest. In a forest, we know we need no other persons. In the company or organization, you have to work with people. So sometimes you have a team leader, sometimes you are a team player. So that's why you have team skills, some social skills. What are the team skills? So one of you say some team skills. Anyone?
Discipline, leadership qualities,
Discipline. Okay. Next.
leadership
Coordinate with
qualities,
all team members.
Leadership qualities.
time
Next.
management,
Time management.
time management,
Okay, time management. Especially team, being a team member.
Coordinate with all team members.
communication skills,
Okay, right.
Active participant.
Active participant, right? We have to be active. In group discussion, also be active. And also, not all the persons are active. Then what we have to do? We have to encourage them, others. Okay, encouraging others. That is a team skills. And cooperation. That is also team skill. We have to cooperate each other. So helping the team. These are team. Be a team player. Next, be aggressive. Don't be aggressive. Ignore if someone is aggressive.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is always important. This is always important. Don't be aggressive if some people are aggressive. In that case, we have to ignore them. Okay? We have to ignore them. Next, select a leader.
yes, sir.
Select a leader. So sometimes be a leader. So most of the cases, we have to be a leader. Some situations, we can select a leader. If you observe the skills of team members, one person has all the skills. In that case, we can select. That is also based on the context. Be selfish here.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, because we are working in a team. Don't be selfish. Okay. In a group discussion also, don't be selfish. If you take 5 minutes of time, so no use. Okay. You speak for 1 or 2 minutes, then you give chance to others. If some people are not interesting, so they are inactive. In that case, you can encourage them to speak. Like, okay, don't be selfish. Encourage others.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we
Yes,
have to
sir.
encourage others. Be flexible and receptive.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, always be flexible and receptive. Receptive means we are ready to take opinions from others, because we have one idea. After listening to all the members, what happened? Your it proves your beliefs or your ideas are wrong. In that case, be receptive. You can accept opinions from all. Okay. If some problem is there, you can change your stand also based on the opinions from others. Okay. Don't always think whatever I think that is right. That is not the attitude. Okay. Sometimes we have to change our attitude after listening to others. Listen carefully and analyze.
Yes, sir.
This is always important. First listen carefully, next analyze. Okay. Speaking in a team, especially in teamwork, listen carefully. That is also quality of a leader. If you want to become a leader, first listen. Then you can speak. Speaking is not important. So first listening is important. First listen, analyze, then you can speak. Argue and get emotional.
No, sir.
No, don't be argue. Okay. So it is not a personal issue in office also. It is not a person. It is a common goal. Okay. Common goal. It is a teamwork means a common goal. We are all trying for a common goal. So don't argue arguments. Don't be emotional. You have to always managing our emotion. Okay. Don't cry. Don't shout. Okay. Don't angry on your team members or in your group. Don't be emotional and don't argue. Okay. Discussion is always important, but not arguments. But in TV channels, what happened? In TV channels, most of the TV
Argument will be there,
argument,
discussion is less.
there is no discussion on the argument. Even whatever, if you see some news channels, who is the host, the anchor, okay, the moderator is also arguing more than the, what is that, members. Okay, like the anchor. Argument is not important. Don't argue. So discuss. Next, take a stand and change later.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sometimes we have to take our chance. For example, our topic is, what is that? What's the topic? That is a controversial topic. What is that? Love marriage versus arranged marriage. First, you prefer for love marriages. Okay. After discussing all the opinions from others. Okay. Then you can take your stand. Yes, arranged marriages are important than love marriages, because you listen to them, you analyze both positive and negatives, and at the end you change your stand after analyzing. Okay. Take a stand and change it later. That is also important. Okay. After analyzing. So, next one. These are another activity. So in the previous activity, what we have seen, do's and don'ts. The previous activity, we focus on body language and our language and all other skills, especially soft skills and life skills. Next, do the activity. Distinguish between the do's and don'ts for a group discussion. What okay? So here, read the points and say what are do's, what are don'ts. First one, take notes to summarize later. in the group discussion?
Do, sir.
Do, sir.
So yes, so we always take a piece of paper and take notes. So at the end of the, what is that? Three steps are there in group discussion. Initiating group discussion, that is important. Next, continuing group discussion, that is important. Last one is summarize. One of you summarize what we have discussed so far. So for that, you have to take notes. What are the topics we have discussed? What are the opinions we have received? Then take notes, and at the end of the meeting, by concluding the group discussion, we can summarize. Okay. Think and speak.
Do, sir.
Yes, this is always
Do.
important. This is always important. Not only group discussion, everywhere. Think twice before you speak. Okay. Think and speak. Like repeat points.
Don't.
Don't repeat points. Okay. It's a waste of time, and you will whatever you will lose some credits. Don't repeat the point. If you add the point, they can raise your hand and you can add. But again, second time also you repeat the same point, no use. Okay, don't repeat the points in a group discussion. Sit silently.
Don't.
Don't sit silently. Okay, be active. You can speak 2 or 3 times. Okay, don't sit silently and listen to others. If you have any doubts in the group discussion, any clarifications, you can raise your hands and clarify your doubts. But don't interrupt others. Okay, don't sit silently. You can raise your hand if you have any doubts, any clarifications, or if you want to add any points, you can add points. If you are disagree, then raise your hands and say your opinion. But never sit silently in a group discussion. Next, keep points in store.
Do.
Do, sir.
Yes, this is always important. Keep points in store. First, you speak for 1 minute on the topic. Then here's some points also. The next time you have to speak another point, but don't repeat. Keep points in store is always important. Get nervous.
Don't.
Sir.
Don't get nervous. Okay, be relaxed. Become confused.
Don't, sir.
Okay,
Don't.
don't be confused. Be relaxed. Organize your thoughts.
Do, sir.
Do.
Yes, you have to
Do,
organize your
sir.
thoughts. So what I have to say first, what is the next lot is? So one sequencing order. This organizing. Okay, organize your thoughts and your ideas. Follow one sequencing. What I have to say, what I have not to say, like that. Prepare well.
Do, sir.
sir.
Yes, prepare well. Listen, especially in group discussions, you have to prepare mentally. Okay, because the topic will be decided in the panel only. So after attending the interview, so 50 members are there, but 20 members were called for group discussion. So they give about 15 to 30 minutes or 30 to 45 minutes time. In that time, you have to prepare mentally based on the topic. So then prepare well mentally and organize your ideas. Like, so you can note down in a piece of paper, like really, what is the topic, points on the related topic. That is, be conscious of time.
Do, sir.
Yes, this is always important. This is also nothing but time management. Be conscious of time. Generally, that is for about 30 to 45 minutes. So all the participants have to speak. You can speak 2 or 3 times. Be conscious of time. Speak 1 or 2 minutes and give chance to others. So next, we have also 3 minutes of time. Be silent if you don't understand the topic.
Don't, sir.
Okay, don't sit silent. Then what we have to do? If you don't understand the topic,
We have to ask them
Yes,
again the question.
so we have to ask. You have any doubts or any clarifications? You have to ask them and get clarity from them. Don't sit silently if you don't understand the topic. Okay, right. Speaking more is important than that content. Speaking is more.
Don't, sir.
Okay. Yes. Speaking is not more important. Content and ideas are always important. Okay. If you have fluency, that is important. If you speak for 50 minutes out of 30 minutes, speak for 15 minutes and no points are there, no valid points are there, no content is there, then no use of speaking. Okay, always content is always important. Okay, right. So this is about group discussion. So group discussion is an important part and parcel of interview skills, as we have discussed. Interview skills. In interview, before the face-to-face interview, most of the companies conduct group discussions. So what is the process? What is the purpose we have discussed so far? Okay. Now these two assignments are there. Okay. Write a short paragraph on the steps you have take while participating in a discussion. That is one. Steps. Mention some phrases and expressions commonly used in a group discussion. Okay. Some phrases and expressions. You have to use different phrases, especially what is second point, second step. How to continue the group discussion. In that cases, we have to use many expressions and phrases. You want to add some points like that. So for this, so you can refer what is a lab manual. In the lab manual, we have different phrases and expressions are there for different situations. Okay, you can use them for our use. Okay, this is our topic. Group discussions.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, once again you send that lab manual, sir. It's not downloading.
Okay, okay. Today I will send you in WhatsApp group. So that is better.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So using that lab manual, so you can complete your assignments also. That is also used for your future. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask in WhatsApp. You can have a discussion. After this one, we will meet you in the next session with another topic. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So for the next 10 minutes, so you can ask any doubts in the WhatsApp.